wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So y'all know the Sephora savings event is coming up, so I was adding things in my cart and I'm noticing that there is a lot of body care in my body care skincare in my shopping cart. And then I thought about it and I was like, you know, like times are rough right now. Your lotion is like $40 for some of this stuff. So I want to do a video recommending, I think, like 3-ish brands that you can look to if you are looking for affordable body care. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so with this first one, what is very funny, I think I literally just realized like yesterday, I have been saying the name of this brand incorrectly. And I got this here because it was in my shower, so I think the bottom is wet. But I have been saying Naturium, right? Why am I realizing this is Naturium? No one was gonna correct me? No, y'all fake. Yeah, I was watching a TikTok yesterday and someone was mentioning it and I was like, wait a minute. And then I went and I like read the name and I was like, oh, okay. You know when your eyes just read what they want to read? But anyway, you've probably heard about this brand. You've seen it all over the place. They've got the body washes and a whole bunch of different options, the lotions, they do have lip balms that are still on my list to get. They keep selling out, but they're like $10 each, something like that. Again, affordable body care. This is the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash, and I like this because as you hear in the name, it's a body wash that also gives body oil in it. Also the glow, they're not joking with that. Your skin definitely is going to glow after using this, especially consistently. I'm waiting on a delivery, so I thought my phone was ringing. What was I even saying? No, your body's gonna glow after using this, and it's a body wash where the focus is more so like what the wash is actually going to do for your skin. Oil to gel formula that intensely nourishes. You know, it's getting real scientific on the back of this, but it does have like all of the actual ingredients and like the stuff that it's doing. You know, I see formulated with over 50% glycerin, stuff like that. And that's one of the reasons why people like this line in general, but their body washes specifically, because a lot of people feel like body washes focus on like making you smell good, you know, like cutesy type stuff. Y'all know Native, which mind you, I do have Native body wash as well. But like something like that where, you know, it's not so much how it's cleaning your skin, it's like how it's leaving your skin smelling nice, or leaving your skin looking nice. But with their body washes, like you're actually getting a really good clean to your skin. So definitely check out the body wash. I have a mini of their facial cleanser. I don't remember what the name is. I'll have it pop up here on the screen. I use that when I'm traveling, just also because like traveling, you know, you're in the air and then you're in climates that your skin is not used to. I feel like that cleanser helps me keep my skin right, because y'all don't do all this work while I'm at home just for me to get out of town and now my skin wants to act up because, you know, I didn't take care of it while I was out. So that is the cleanser that I use when I'm traveling. I also have their Bio-Lipid Restoring Body Lotion, Advanced Lipid Complex for all day moisture. Definitely a good moisturizing shampoo. Again, you're not really gonna get like, you know, you smell like Fruit Loops or, you know, vanilla bean out of this. Like it's lotion, you know, it's going to lotion your body, but you are going to smell really well. And funny that I just said, you know, like you're not going to smell like Fruit Loops, stuff like that, blah blah blah. So this is body lotion. You guys may have seen that they came out with a body butter, and I was like, oh, you know, I like the other stuff that they have, so let me go ahead, try that out. Baby, actually, if you follow me on TikTok, you probably saw the TikTok that I uploaded on it. I was like, oh, you know, I wasn't having the best Monday, so I went to Target and then I got it. Also, it's like $20, the body butter. I bought it Monday. I'm pretty sure I returned it Wednesday. And y'all know, if I return it, like I'm just not feeling it, because I don't like returning things. But I had to return it because absolutely positively not. I'm so sorry. I would prefer it doesn't have a smell like the other products as opposed to the smell that it does have. When I tell y'all I was going to bed angry, like that is the point of doing the whole night care routine. You know, I put perfume on when I go to bed. Like you want to, you know, I don't need to go to bed smelling like Fruit Loops, but I don't want to go to bed smelling like Elbow. Like I don't like how that smelled at all. The smell like lingers on. I could smell it while I'm in the sheets, and then you got a blanket over you, so it's just containing the smell right there. So I had to go ahead and return that back to the store. That is the first thing that I tried from them that I did not like, and it's not for me. However, it is a body butter that also gives that kind of like oil as well, which I believe is in the name of the product. So that is a bummer, because again, I like the formula of it. I feel like consistently using that formula would have been really nice on the skin, but I just could not get past the smell, which is unfortunate, because the rest of the products are like fragrance free and stuff like that. So hopefully they do launch it like fragrance free, because yeah, just no. The next brand I would recommend going to if you are looking for really good affordable body care is Body by TPH. When this first launched, I'm pretty sure I went out and bought like most of the things that come with it. So this is the a Luxe but lightweight body oil, and these also like have different fragrance ranges based on colors. Like this has a body butter that's the same color packaging, and then there's a packaging that's this color, which I'll talk about this in a second. But the body oil, absolutely, positively. This body oil in collaboration with the other body care products I've been wearing lately. So if you saw that vlog that I just posted, I said I was going out, or the TikTok where I said I was going out for Sunday Fun Day with Drea, that was the body butter that I've been wearing, plus a body serum that I've been wearing with this on top of it. And I'm telling you, I'm ready for outside. I am ready to be outside. The melanin is ready to be outside, glistening with this right here. And the thing that I like about this is it doesn't leave you greasy. Like, I mean, none of the products that I use leave you greasy, or I wouldn't be using them, because I hate, y'all know I'm a texture person. Like if the texture feels off, it's just going to irritate me. But lotions, body oil, stuff like that specifically tend to leave your body greasy. So that's one of the things that I really like about this. Also love the smell of her products. Now, I just said Naturium is pretty fragrance free. I love the fragrances in her body care. This, I don't really care. I don't really care if it's got acids and whatnot I like how it smells, and I like how it makes the body looks, a nice balance. This one, the brown one, I believe there's white as well. I believe so. But yeah, I have tried this. The candles, also the candles, I think are like $10, something like that. They're supposed to be like relaxing candles, and they do, they definitely set the mood once you light them. So I would recommend the candles as well. Like I said, I've tried the body butter, recommend that, especially if you use the entire line together. And line created by a Black woman. She knew what she was doing. She was like, I'm gonna let you use all the products in this line together so you can be outside like a glazed donut this summer. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't have the body butter to show you. I know I didn't get rid of it, so it's giving very much so I think my mama took it. But what I do have is the Meditative fragrance mist. So it's like body mist, stuff like that. I mean, I already have a fragrance on today, but oh, it sprays out a little aggressively, but it's just yummy, just sweets. I like, Oh, it's called Namaste. What did I say it was called? Oh, well, it's, y'all know what I mean. It's a meditative fragrance mist, but this color is called Namaste. I've got the other colors in my bathroom, and y'all be playing in body mist face. Like, the girlies start shopping for perfume at Sephora, all of a sudden body mist, they're too good for it, right? Like, don't nobody want to, please, real fragrance, real perfume, girlies, real, you want your body to smell good, girlies, know that you mix both. Okay, you wear a perfume and you mix body mist as well. If you really, especially if you really want the smell to like last throughout the day and for people to smell you when you're walking around. This next one is really what inspired this video. I bought this the same day that I bought the body butter that I returned, because I was like, wait a minute. Since when were y'all included? Oh, not my eyelash just stuck to my lid. Since when were y'all included in body care? The Honeypot, did y'all know that? Did y'all know the Honeypot has body wash now? I saw a tweet and it was talking about new body washes at Target. There was this, there was Naturium. There was one, it's like Bio, something like that. I'll have it pop up on the screen. And then there was one that was like salt air. Again, I'll have that pop up on the screen. Also, you might want to check out those brands as well. I haven't personally tried them, but they are Bodycare that I have seen other people try, that, you know, I trust what they be saying about products. So this is their Hydrating Herbal Infused Body Cleanser. This is a specific one. Which one is this one? This is well, blue, but where's the name of this one? Am I missing it? There's different ones and they're like based on different things. I think the purple one is like lavender. What is this one? It's like coconut and shea. You got to read the descriptions on this one, but I know out of all of the descriptions, I went with this one because I like this description the most. I've been using this for a good little minute, and again, it's giving, this is more so what it's going to do for your body, really give you a nice body cleanse. I had to make sure I was filming for a second. You know, there's just a lot going on right now. My hands are wet because I literally just used this take shower before filming this video. But you know, nice lather on the skin. I do feel like, do you have a scent to you? I don't feel like there's an intended scent, but you know, like sometimes a product is just going to have, yeah, it's just like a, you know, like a earthy, like natural. So that's what's up. Shout out to the Honeypot on having a body wash, because I've mainly known them for, you know, having products for maintenance down there. You know, they've got a specific wash for your Brazilian area. Love that. You know, there was a whole controversy on it switching up and it not, but it still works for me. I love that product. Right now I am using one from, I think it's called Luna. It's available at Sephora, but definitely two that I go back and forth between because Honeypot never steered me wrong. And then what else have I tried from the Honeypot? I've also tried their like supplements, where it's supposed to be like, you know, supplements for a healthy Brazilian area. But if they're getting into body wash, I'm all the way here for it, because definitely a company that's always been more so on the ingredients that are going into it and what it's going to do for your body. So don't hesitate to put out some body lotion, body butter, body oil. I feel like they would eat a body oil. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. So I just wanted to really quickly bring you guys some options that you could look into, because, you know, everyone wants to be out here like glazed donut. Everyone wants skin that they feel is nice and soft and, you know, real fluffy, real cute, real squeezable type thing. Yeah, and but like, who is trying to spend $50 on a body cleanser? I mean, have I spent that on a body cleanser? Yes. Will I probably spend that on a body cleanser? Yes. But if you are looking for affordable options, I hope that I just brought you some in this video. If you know any others, you know, any indie brands, any brands that are available at a Target, Ulta, drugstore, Walgreens, stuff like that, let us know in the comments down below, because, you know, like I said, times are hard and we gotta look out for each other. Okay, we gotta save each other some money. So let me know all that in the comments down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. My hands are sticky from holding the products that were in my shower. But thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.